Hi guys! Ever struggled with categorizing creatinine levels in Excel? No worries, today I'm gonna show you a super simple and accurate way to do it using Excel formulas. Perfect for health data analysis. Let's go! First, make sure you have these two columns in your Excel sheet. Column A is for gender, column B is for creatinine level, and column C is for creatinine categories. We'll categorize the values based on these standards. For male, height is higher than 1.17 and normal is between 0.67 until 1.17 and for low is less than 0.67 and for female height is higher than 0.95 and for normal is between 0.51 until 0.95 and for low is less than 0.51. Got it? Now let's automate it. Applying the formula in Excel, now enter this formula in Excel to automatically categorize the creatinine levels based on gender. We type equal function if open parenthesis cell that's showing gender equal double quote female double quote semicolon functional if and then open parenthesis cell that show creatinine levels higher than 0.95 semicolon double quote high double quote semicolon if open parenthesis cell that show creatinine levels higher equal than 0.51 semicolon double quote normal double quote semicolon double quote low double quote close parenthesis double close parenthesis and semicolon function if and then we open parenthesis for cell that show gender equal with double quote male double quote semicolon if open parenthesis creatinine levels higher than 1.517 and then semicolon double quote for height and double quote and semicolon if open parenthesis cell that show creatinine levels higher equal than 0.767 and semicolon double quote normal double quote semicolon double quote low and double quote and close parenthesis by 4 and then we hit the enter. This formula instantly check gender in column A and creatinine levels in column B, then assign the correct category. Boom! No manual work needed. Now that we have categorized the creatinine levels, let's analyze how many people fall into each category. The easiest way, pivot table. We should select the C column and then go to insert and choose the pivot table and click the from table orange. And we fill the blank for the table for column C and then we choose existing worksheet to placing the pivot table and click here. And then we click OK and we should drag down the creatinine categories into the rows and again into the values. And we see the categories show that the count of high creatinine categories is 5 people and for low is 2 people and for normal is 49 people. We see that most of the sample is in normal creatinine categories. And just like that, we have a frequency distribution for each creatinine category. Super quick, right? If you found this helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome Excel hacks. Turn on notifications so you'll never miss a new Excel trick. Thank you.
Subscribe now. Subscribe now.